Are you struggling to see images and videos in your Gmail on your PC? Don't worry, you're not alone, and we have some quick solutions for you. Let's dive straight into it. First, ensure that cookies are turned on in your browser settings. Sometimes, antivirus programs or similar software can delete these cookies, causing issues with viewing images. If cookies are enabled, the next step is to clear your browser's cache. Keep in mind that while this might solve the problem, it will also remove your saved settings for websites you visited. So, proceed with caution. Next, check if you're using the latest version of your browser. Outdated browsers can lead to various issues, including not displaying images properly. Update your browser if necessary. The following step is to check for any device updates. Make sure your operating system is up to date, as this can impact how applications function. Now, let's verify your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent media from loading correctly, so make sure you're connected to a reliable network. If you've tried all of these methods and images still aren't showing, it might be helpful to restart your device. It's a simple step, but it can often resolve many temporary issues. Finally, if none of these solutions work, don't hesitate to contact Gmail support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot the problem more specifically for your account. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of images and videos not showing in your Gmail on your PC.